Welcome to this video on the principles and applications of isolation transformers. We will explore electrical separation, magnetic coupling, and the safety mechanisms that make these transformers crucial in many applications. The isolation transformer transfers power without any direct physical connection. It achieves galvanic isolation, meaning there's no conductive copper path between the input source and the output load. This device effectively blocks DC signals while allowing AC to pass. Direct electrical connections expose systems to hazards. These include shock risks from exposed live metal and system damage from voltage spikes and ground loops, which create unwanted circulating currents. Galvanic isolation breaks the conductive path in 3 steps. The input circuit stops, a magnetic barrier replaces the physical connection, and the output circuit begins independently. This separation eliminates ground loops and isolates equipment from utility line faults. Magnetic coupling drives the energy transfer. The primary winding receives AC, generating an oscillating magnetic flux via induction, and this flux induces a new AC voltage in the separate secondary winding, according to Faraday's law. The anatomy of an isolation transformer includes specialized insulation and shields. Key components are the core, which minimizes eddy current losses, the physically separated primary and secondary windings, and a high dielectric barrier for insulation. Isolation transformers typically use a 1-to-1 turns ratio, which maintains equal voltage between the input and output. This exact match guarantees safety without changing the required equipment power, unlike standard transformers that step voltage up or down. The ungrounded secondary coil is a vital safety feature. Since the output floats without an earth connection, touching a single live wire does not complete a circuit to the ground. This means zero current flows through the human body, preventing electric shocks. A Faraday shield blocks high-frequency interference. Capacitive coupling causes common mode noise, but the grounded copper shield captures these high-frequency transients. The result is clean power delivery to sensitive instruments. Standard transformers primarily change voltage with a variable turns ratio and often have a grounded secondary. In contrast, isolation transformers ensure safety by isolating circuits, maintaining a strictly 1-to-1 ratio, using an ungrounded secondary, and providing high noise filtering. Isolation transformers offer complete electrical isolation, prevent ground loops, and enhance operator safety. However, they cost more, are bulkier and heavier, operate with slightly lower efficiency, and generate heat that requires ventilation. Different industries use specialized isolation transformers. Medical isolation protects patients with reinforced insulation. Pulse transformers are used in communication and networking. Audio and instrument transformers eliminate hum and ground loops for sensitive equipment. Medical and laboratory environments demand extreme electrical safety. In medical systems, isolation transformers prevent microshock risks. For electronics testing, they safely break the ground connection, allowing engineers to test ungrounded prototypes. In marine systems, isolation transformers prevent galvanic corrosion when ships connect to shore power. In communication systems, they prevent radio frequency energy from draining to the ground, as seen in air traffic warning lamps on radio masts. Isolation transformers ensure system reliability and human safety through complete safety, enhanced power quality, and unbroken reliability. The ultimate protective barrier between the utility line and sensitive equipment is achieved through complete circuit isolation and magnetic coupling.